Introducing MagicJet, truly powerful and portable 2-in-1 sea scooter. Ultra compact, super safe, strong, and easy to control, MagicJet offers a creative way to explore the underwater world. Destinations become more accessible with a squeeze. MagicJet is equipped with an ultra-quiet 600-watt power engine, delivers 60 minutes of runtime, and allows you to go over 4 miles per hour. It's perfect for diving, snorkeling, swimming, or any other of your favorite underwater sports. An intuitive modular design will bring you more flexibility to control it in your own way. Diving by one hand to enjoy freedom. Using 2 hands on the handle for more strength. Or combine 2 units together for faster speed and extraordinary excitement. Useful spare parts like the belt will make you more comfortable underwater. Never miss out any of your wonderful moment. Mount your GoPro or other underwater camera in front or on the top of MagicJet for stunning smooth videos and photos. We care about ocean and marine life. The super quiet motor won't pollute the water and do no harm or disturbance to sea creatures. With 6 layers of smart protection, MagicJet keeps you safe wherever you go. It features a 155-watt-hour rechargeable battery with an underwater pluggable design. You can swap it in a minute easily. After our first successful Kickstarter campaign, now we are back and need your help to bring a totally new way for underwater exploration.